Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about everyday activities and how they can make a significant impact on our lives. These simple tasks, repeated day after day, can contribute to our overall well-being and happiness. First, let's discuss breakfast. Eating a nutritious breakfast is essential for kickstarting the day, providing us with the energy we need to tackle our tasks. It is also a great opportunity to socialize with family or friends, which can boost our mood and create positive memories. Next, let's talk about walking or exercising. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining good health and reducing stress. By taking a walk or going for a run during our break, we are not only improving our physical health, but also our mental well-being. Another everyday activity that can make a difference is writing or journaling. Taking a few minutes to reflect on our thoughts and feelings can help us gain clarity and manage stress. Journaling can also be a great way to express our creativity and personal growth. Laundering our clothes, dishes, or cleaning our house is an essential part of maintaining a clean and organized environment. Not only does this help us feel a sense of accomplishment, but it also reduces stress and saves us time and money in the long run. In conclusion, everyday activities such as eating breakfast, walking or exercising, writing or journaling, and laundering our clothes or cleaning our house can significantly impact our lives. By incorporating these habits into our routine, we can improve our overall well-being and happiness. So, let's make a conscious effort to do these things every day and embrace the positive changes they bring to our lives.